I want to talk about this leather repair kit. I've got an old truck and it's got a few bumps and bruises right here. That's kind of where I rest my elbow when I'm driving, on the armrest or console top. So I want to touch that up a little bit. Now, what do you get? You get a couple vials of the leather repair right there, application tools and cloth, and right there you get some instructions. And right here, I'm starting out with the little spots right here using the brush. See right there, it's easy. You're just going to brush it on. Piece of cake. Now you see the larger spot there. I'm going to, in a second there, I'm going to start using a different tool to apply that. Now, one thing I wish I would have done, and you'll see at the end, there is, like I said, some cloth included. And for larger gashes or spots, you can cut out a little piece of that and put it in the middle. It's going to help fill it a little bit better. I neglected to do that. Still got great results, but you'll see in a few moments why I wish I'd done that. And additionally, there's also some white included, some white gel that you can use to match the color a little bit better. See right here, first round, looks good, does the trick. I'm going to put on another coat and I think it's going to look great. If you need to touch up some leather, click on the link in the description below.